Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the CX freeze error that you're coming across on your Windows computer. So if you are trying to maybe access Cortana or the start menu or something along those lines and you get this little pop-up screen, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to jump right into it and start by opening up the start menu. So just left click on the start button one time. Type in device manager. Best match should come back with device manager. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to expand the display adapter section, so either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Now for your display adapter listed under here, you want to right click on it and select update driver. Select search automatically for updated driver software. So if it's already been installed on your computer, select close. After just going online and looking up your specific display adapter, which will be unique in your case, Google it and see if there's any updated driver software, preferably from the manufacturer's website. And then there should be a free utility that'll let you download and install it directly to your computer, and you don't actually have to go through Device Manager and manually install any drivers. But generally speaking, that should hopefully be able to resolve the problem. I've also noticed that it looks like if you are coming across this issue in the Steam application, you might be able to go ahead and reinstall games, and that might be able to help resolve the problem as well. So if you have the ability to uninstall and then reinstall the games from your Steam client, hopefully that would be able to also address the problem. So just wanted to put out a couple different scenarios there. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.